Hello guys, welcome to the sixth session of Blazor tutorials for beginners. In this session, we will see how to create a hosted Blazor app. For this, we will create a new project of type ASP.NET Core Web Applications, give a name and location for the project, click on Create, and select Blazor Hosted App. Now the hosted app is kind of a client-side hosting model. Here, it has created three different projects. We will understand project structure later in this session. Now run this project. Again, we have the same output. Open the Developers tool, open Network tab and refresh the page. Here you can see that it has downloaded all of DLLs and also created WASM in the source tree, which is the same as client side, right? Now let us switch to Visual Studio and understand the structure. It contains three projects: client, server, and shared. Now client project contains Blazor logic and responsible for UI. Server project contains Web API, which will provide a response to the client. The shared project contains POCO models which are used by both clients as well as server. In the client project, those all files are the same as the client-side hosting model, so I'm not repeating it, okay? Here in Fetch Data, we have used an array of weather forecast, and on it send the request to Web API. This class is placed in the shared project. In the server project, those files are the same as a normal .NET Core Web API, which includes configuration of dependency injection and middleware. Here is controller, from which we can give 5 records with random temperature and summary text. And this is shared class. Now let us see what we have learned today in this session. For creating a hosted Blazor app, we need to create a new project for ASP.NET Core Web Application, and we have to select Blazor Hosted App. It is a kind of client-side hosting model. It has three different projects for client, server, and shared. In the next session, we will create our own first component and we will understand it further. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.